management systems, and finally, the most essential part of my presentation, interactive databases, which are a modern tool supporting management processes in companies, also in companies of the wood industry. I'll show you examples of projects which are ongoing at present. As you know, the so-called knowledge-based economy is based on factors which are not directly connected to production. Factors such as electronic information technologies, human resources, and of course, knowledge. A new trend which may be observed nowadays is that research is determined by social needs and therefore by the industry. So research institutions have to adapt their offer to the demand declared by industry. So this is a change. Before it was the research institutions which came up with all the ideas. Now, for us, what is important is that the wood industry becomes the creator of demand for research. In the knowledge-based economy, it is effective external sources of knowledge which allow companies to be more competitive. At this point, we have to ask how competitive is the Polish wood sector. Poland is a significant producer and exporter of wood materials and wood products, especially furniture. It is worth mentioning that Poland is one of 10 largest producers of furniture in Europe and the third largest exporter of furniture. And this has been seen for several years. In 2005, export of wood products, furniture, pulp and paper, and paper products accounted for exactly 12% of total Polish export, and that is a very significant percentage. Generally, the Polish wood sector is competitive. However, the competitiveness depends on the branch which we take into consideration. Companies which have a big share of foreign capital tend to be more competitive. And unfortunately, there is still much more price-cost competitiveness than innovation and quality competitiveness. One might ask the question here, what could be done to increase the competitiveness of the Polish wood sector? Well, there are many suggestions, like to introduce new products, introduce new technologies. But what I would like to focus on right now is the last one, the usage of effective management systems. An effective management system is a system which allows companies to achieve better results than comparable companies achieve. Of course, it is very difficult to give one definition of an ideal management system, ideal for each and every company, because companies are so different. They differ as far as their size, their type, their environment is concerned. And as you can see on the slide, there are very many features making up a management system. Features like human resources, price policy, marketing, and many, many more. One of the modern tools supporting management processes nowadays are interactive databases, and I would like to focus on that. Interactive databases are created for several purposes. They may inform about research capabilities, they may assess these capabilities, but what they may also do is identify the gap between industry needs and research capabilities, all in order to eliminate this gap. And this is exactly the aim of the Innovawood SSA project, which is a SSA standing for Specific Support Action Project of the EU 6 Framework Program. This project is run by 14 partners from different EU states. Among them is the Technical University in Poland and also the Wood Technology Institute in Poland. On the slide, you can see the aim of the project. On the one side, we have industry needs, on the other, research capabilities, and Innovawood is supposed to be a bridge between the two. So the the aim of the project is to match industry needs and research capabilities. This is to be done through the creation of an interactive database. Right now, we're at the stage of trying to assess the research capability. We are creating a database of research institutions, and your institutions have also been included into the base that we are creating right now. Hubert will tell you much more about the base and about the entire project in just a few minutes. You can also see some information on the leaflet which you received. Woodism is another project, international project directed at companies in the wood industry, also an SSA project of the 6th Framework Program. And again, the aim is to match industry needs and research capabilities. And one of the tools used in this project is an interactive database. This is an example of a national project, the Wielkopolska Innovation Platform, not directed exactly at companies of the wood industry, but of course a significant project for us, because it is aimed at facilitating the transfer of innovative products, innovative technologies from the research community to companies, mainly companies of the Wielkopolska region. And this project also uses an interactive database. The Virtual Network Forest is a project led by the Warsaw Forest Research Institute. This project is aimed at the dissemination of information in the field of forestry.